Hey guys. All right, we are going to make a group of four. And so first I want to write the number four down and over and down some more. That's the way we make a four. Here's four. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what four looks like on your fingers. All right, so we're going to touch and count four cubes, okay? And I'm going to make a dot on them. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now I'm going to drag four cubes into this big circle. Ready? Whoop, I'm going to grab it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four cubes. What color are these cubes? Yellow. These are four yellow cubes, and they are in a circle. That's awesome. All right, friends, remember to make a four down and over and down some more. That's the way you make a four. All right, friends, see you later.